The conditional formatting icon is used to format the cells based on certain criteria. Say, you want to highlight all the cells in this worksheet which have figures less than 900 with a different color. This would enable you to know at a glance on which dates the sales have been poor. Select all the cells containing the figures. Then click Conditional Formatting. From the options displayed, select Highlight Cell Rules, Less Than. In the Less Than window, enter 900 in the left box, and in the right box, select a suitable option from the ones displayed. Click OK. Now, click outside the selected cells. You can see that all cells having figures less than 900 are highlighted in the specified colors. There are various other applications of conditional formatting. For example, the top or bottom rules option can be used to highlight the highest and lowest values in a range, and the data bars option can be used to display bars according to the data. There are other options too. Do explore them.